everyone, I am your host Ayushi Kara Sethia and welcome back to our channel Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how you can add Calendly invitees to Apollo CRM as contact automatically. So first let us understand what these software applications are all about. So Calendly is an appointment scheduling software and Apollo is a CRM software application. So the idea here is that whenever a new appointment is scheduled in your Calendly account and a new invitee is created, automatically the same invitee should get created as a new contact into your Apollo CRM account. So that you can create a customer database, you can contact the customer or you can contact the invitee in future for sending the promotional messages or for any other reason. So in order to create a connection between Calendly and Apollo CRM, we are going to use a software application named Pabbly Connect. So basically, Pabbly Connect is an automation and integration software which will help us in integrating both these software applications automatically. The best part here is it doesn't require any coding skills or programming knowledge. Even a non-technical person can use this software application very easily. So let us learn the integration process now on my screen. So to start the integration, let us type Pabbly, pabbly.com in our browser. This is the website of Pabbly. Here we have to come to products and click on Pabbly Connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. As you are the first time user, you have to click on sign up for free option and you can create your own account in just 2 minutes. And you will get 100 tasks free every month. As I already have an account with Pabbly Connect, I'll simply click on sign in. In the all apps section, come to Pabbly Connect and click on access now. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here we have to create a workflow. For that, come to this plus sign and click on create workflow. Now here we have to give a name to the workflow. So let us give the name as add Calendly invitees to Apollo CRM as contacts. Here you can give the workflow name as per your requirement and simply click on create. Now here we can see a trigger window and an action window. So Pabbly Connect works on the concept of trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So in this use case, we want that whenever an appointment is scheduled and the invitee is created into your Calendly account, automatically the same invitee should be added as a contact into your Apollo CRM account. For this, open this trigger window and here in the choose application, let us find Calendly. In the trigger event, we have to select invitee created. Click on connect. Click on add new connection. Now it is asking for the API key. So let us read the instructions. Log into your Calendly account. You can get your API key from Calendly account and move to integrations. Okay, so let's go back to the Calendly account. Here we can find the integrations option. Click on it. And when we scroll down over here, we can find API and webhooks option. Click on it. And at last we can find the API key. So I'm just going to copy this key from here and we will be pasting the same key over here. And let's click on save. And now the Calendly account is connected to Pabbly Connect just because I was already logged into my Calendly account. So make sure before creating a connection, you are logged into your Calendly account. Now let's click on save and send test request. Okay, now here we can see that it is waiting for the response. So in order to capture the response, we have to do a test submission. It means we have to just create an invitee in our Calendly account. For that, let's move to Calendly. Let's move to the home page. Here I have already created some events. So we are going to use Pabbly Connect support event over here. So you can simply click on this view booking page or you can copy the link and you can open it in a new tab. Okay. And from here we are just going to create a new booking or a new appointment. Let's select the date as 18th of March 2022. Timing as 11 AM. Let's click on confirm. Let's give the first name as Adam. Last name as Smith. Email address as adamsmith123@gmail.com. Let's add the phone number. And let's click on schedule event. Okay, and here we can see that the appointment is scheduled successfully and an invitee is created. Let's move back to Pabbly Connect. And here we can see the responses received. Here we can find the event as invitee created, and when we scroll down, here we can find all the details of the appointment, that is the date, its time. Here we can find the invitee mobile number. Here we can find the first name, last name and the email address of the invitee. So now we want that using these details, automatically a new contact should get created into your Apollo CRM account. The same contact should get created. Okay, for that come to this action window, and here in the choose application, let us find Apollo CRM. In the action event, we have to select create contact, click on connect, click on add new connection. Now it is asking for the API key. So you can get the API key from here. I'm just going to click on HERE here. Okay, and here we can find the API key. So if you want to access from your account, you have to just go to the settings option, move to integrations, and you can find the API settings. Okay, so let us copy this key from here, and we'll be pasting the same key over here in Pabbly Connect. And let's click on save. And now the Apollo CRM account is connected to Pabbly Connect just because I was already logged into my Apollo account also. So make sure before creating a connection, you're logged into your Apollo account also. Now it is asking for the first name, last name, organization name and all other details of the contact. So we have already got these details through the Calendly account over here. So we are going to map these details now. Okay, let us map them one by one. Let us map the first name from Calendly. First name was Adam. Here we have to map the last name, that was Smith. Here we have to map the organization name. So let us map it from Pabbly Connect support, that is type name. Here we have to map the email address, and this was the email address. Here we have to map the title. So if you have the title, you can give it over here. Here we have to select the contact stage. So you can select it as per your requirement. I'm selecting it as cold. Now here the website URL is required and the address detail is required. So we are not having all these details. I'm just leaving it as blank. If you have all these details, you can map it over here. And let's click on save and send test request. Okay, and here we can see the response is received. It means a new contact is created in our Apollo account. Let's check it. Okay, and here we can see that a new contact is added, Adam Smith. Here we can find his company name and here we can find his email address. Okay. So in this way we can see that our integration is working fine. Let's move back to Pabbly Connect and let us save this workflow first. Data saved successfully. Okay. Now we have to check this in the real time whether integration is actually working fine or not. For that we have to just create a new invitee in our Calendly account. So I'm just going to open the booking page once again. And here we are just going to select the date as 15th of March 2022. Timing as 10:30 AM. Let's click on confirm. First name as Shikha. Last name as Arya. Email address as shikhaarya22@gmail.com. Let's add the phone number. And click on schedule event. So the appointment is scheduled. Now we have to check our Apollo account that the same invitee is created as a contact over here or not. Okay, and let's just refresh it. Okay, and here we can see a new contact created named Shikha Arya. Here we can find the company name, along with that the email address. So in this way we can see that our integration is perfectly working fine. And whenever a new invitee is added in our Calendly account, it is created in our Calendly account, automatically the same invitee is added as a new contact into our Apollo CRM account. So let's move back to Pabbly Connect and let us just minimize all these windows and we are going to see in a nutshell whatever we have done till now. So first we have created an integration between Calendly and Pabbly Connect. Then Pabbly Connect has captured all the details of the invitee whenever a new appointment was scheduled. And using those details of the invitee, the same invitee was created as a contact into your Apollo CRM account. And in this way, we have created a successful integration between Calendly and Apollo using Pabbly Connect. So not just these software applications, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business using Pabbly Connect. In case of any queries, you can visit our Pabbly forum. To check the pricing details of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this particular URL. Also, the link of Pabbly Connect and this workflow is available in the description box. You can clone the same workflow into your account directly. If you really like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.